Hi, I'm David Clemon on behalf of Expert Village, and today we are going to paint a wooden food tray. Alright, now I'm going to show you which supplies we're going to need. Obviously we're going to start with this tray. I believe it's balsa wood, and they're really nice because they're already sanded and they're a really nice finish to paint on. The paint goes on really smooth, and so we're going to use that. I'm going to use this large pencil, this graphite pencil. I've got various colors of acrylic paint. I have this puffy paint, which is used on t-shirts or clothing. I have different brushes that I can use. And I've got a palette here. And you might want to take and have some paper towels handy in case you get it on you or on your table. And with that, those are the supplies. There's, you can use many different colors. I'm going to basically stick with an orange, a red, a mustard color, kind of yellowy, and then I'll probably use some blue and black acrylic paint. Oh, and to seal it, you can use a spray-on clear lacquer finish, and we'll get to that later in the episode.